Yellow jacket, yellow jacket. Yellow jacket is an aggressive yellow and black wasp. Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Pineapple is a sweet tropical fruit. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. Hot dog is a sausage served in a bun. Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. Butterfly is a colorful flying insect. Sunflower, sunflower, sunflower. Sunflower is a tall plant with a big yellow flower. Toothbrush, toothbrush, toothbrush. Toothbrush is used to clean teeth. Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow. Rainbow is a colorful arc in the sky after rain. Basketball, basketball, basketball. Basketball is a sport where players throw a ball into a hoop to score points. Snowball, snowball, snowball. Snowball is a ball made of snow, often used for fun in winter. Cupcake, cupcake, cupcake. Cupcake is a small sweet cake with cream or icing on top. Blackboard, blackboard, blackboard. Blackboard is used for writing with chalk, mainly in classrooms. Mailbox, mailbox, mailbox. Mailbox is a box for receiving letters and small parcels safely. Haircut, haircut, haircut. Haircut is cutting and styling hair to make it look neat. Greenhouse, greenhouse, greenhouse. Greenhouse is a glass house where plants grow in a warm environment. Seahorse, seahorse, seahorse. Seahorse is a small sea animal shaped like a horse that lives in water. Bookworm, bookworm, bookworm. Bookworm is a person who loves reading books a lot. Dirt bike, dirt bike, dirt bike. Dirt bike is a motorcycle made for riding on rough and muddy roads.